Tell Luca to go outside. You know what? Do you know who I am, Mr. Worley? I give up. Who are you? I'm the Antichrist. You get me in a vendetta kind of mood. You tell the angels in heaven you've never seen evil so singly personified as in the face of the man who killed you. My name is Vincent Caccardi. I work for counsel for Blue Boyle, the man your son stole from. I hear you're a cop, so I assume that you've heard of us before. Is that correct?
I've heard of Lulu Boyle.
We're going to play a little Q&A, so at the risk of sounding redundant, please make your answers genuine. Would you like a Chesterfield?
No.
I have a son, about your boy's age, so I can understand how you must feel. Clarence and that bitch whore girlfriend of his brought this all upon themselves. I implore you not to go down that road.
Look, I'd like to help you if I could, but I haven't seen Clarence.
You see that? Getting slammed in the face. You get that pain, shoots up to your brain, and your eyes fill up. That ain't any kind of fun. But what I have to offer you, that's as good as it's gonna get. And won't ever get that good again. I talked to your neighbors, and they said they saw a Cadillac. A purple Cadillac. Now, Mr. Worley, have you seen your son?
I seen him.
I can't be sure of how much your son might have told you. In case you're in the dark of any of this, let me shed some light on the subject. That whore your son hangs around with, pimp, associate of mine, works for me in a courier capacity. That dirty little whore found out we were going to do some business together. Your son came in blazing like a cowboy and didn't leave until everybody in the room was dead.
What are you talking about?
They snatched my narcotics and hightailed it out of there. He would have got away with it, but your son, fuckhead that he is, left his driver's license in the hands of a dead man.
You know what? I don't believe you.
That's of minor importance. What's of major fucking importance is that I believe you. Where did they go?
On their honeymoon.
I'm getting angry. Asking the same questions over and over. Where did they go?
They didn't tell me. Now you listen to me. I haven't seen Clarence in 3 years.
He came in yesterday with his girl, saying he's married.
He asks for some quick cash for his honeymoon. $500. So I felt like helping him.
So we had breakfast in the morning.
And that's the last I saw of him. So help me God.
He never thought to tell me where he was going. And I never thought to ask.
You know, Sicilians are the world's best liars. I'm Sicilian. My father, champion World Sicilian lie.
From growing up with him, I learned a great pantomime.
Guy's got 17 pantomimes. Things a man does. He gives himself away while he's lying. Woman's got 20. Guy's got 17.
If you know them, like you know your own face, you beat lie detectors all to hell.
What we got here is a little game of show and tell. You don't want to show me nothing, but you tell me everything.
I know you know where they are.
So tell me, before I do some damage you won't walk away from.
Can I have one of those Chesterfields now?
Sure.
Do you have a light? Forget it. I got it. You're Sicilian, right? You know, I read a lot.
Especially things about history.
I find that shit interesting. Now here's a fact. I don't know if you know it, but Sicilians were spawned from niggers.
Come again?
It's a fact.
You see, Sicilians have black blood running through their hearts.
Yeah, you can look it up. Hundreds and hundreds of years ago.
The Moors conquered Sicily, and the Moors are niggers.
You see, yeah, but back then, the Italians were like wops from northern Italy. Blonde hair, blue eyes.
So then the Moors moved in, and they changed history forever. They did so much fucking that they changed the Italian bloodline forever.
Yeah, that's why blonde hair and blue eyes turned into black hair and dark skin.
So it's truly amazing to me that after all these years, hundreds of years, Italians still carry that nigga gene.
No, it's a fact. It's written down. It's a fact. You can look it up. It's a fact.
This guy!
Your ancestors are niggas.
And your great 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 grandmother.
Fucked a nigga. Yeah, and had a half nigga kid.
Now, if that's a fact, tell me.
Am I lying? 'Cause you are part eggplant.
Oh!
Hey!
You're a cantaloupe! Beautiful. I haven't killed anyone since 1984. Go to this comedian's son's apartment and find me something that tells me where he is. Wipe this egg off my face.
Franco, what happened?
He said that Sicilians are spawned by niggers, so Don Vicente killed them.
Fix this fucked up family for good.